Hello, competitors. This is your past state president, Morgan Kirchman, and this year I am serving as part of our virtual competitive events team. So that is what I'm doing. I'm here to help you, to help show you how things will work this year. So all competitors should receive a Google Drive link. This link will be sent to your advisors, so you will need to reach out to them and get it from them. So once you receive your link, you're going to want to go on Google or just type it into your search bar, and it will load up your page. Here is your chapter name. This is my high school chapter. And here will be a picture of and it will have your event name. You will want to click on this as this document is very, very important to you. This is essentially your rubric and what you need to submit for your virtual competition. This will look different from the normal rubric you are used to that comes from the competitive events manual, as some of your requirements have changed now that everything is virtual. So you'll want to make sure to read this because this outlines exactly what you will need to submit for both state and national. One important thing to note is that it says a video link provided to a direct source such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive. You must submit your oral presentation via YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive because this way it can be accessed via Google Drive and does not have to be specifically downloaded. If you upload a file that can only be viewed via downloading it, it will not be judged. So it is very important that you upload it using these three resources because otherwise yours will not be judged. So this will be the only thing that you see in your Google Drive link because that is the only thing there currently, and it is your responsibility to go in and fill it up. So you're going to have to upload all of your other competition materials that are outlined in this document onto here. I don't have any because I'm not a competitor this year, but you will just want to drag everything in, and you should be able to, with no problems, be able to drag it in, and you'll want to make sure that it is named properly and that you follow all of this protocol when doing so. Other than that, I believe that is it. It is nothing too crazy, but this is just a little tutorial in case you aren't familiar with it or aren't familiar with how to use Google Drive. And I know that virtual competitions are new to everyone, so hopefully this will help you. Thank you.